Hey there, everyone. I hope that everything is going swimmingly for you today. Tomorrow is Saturday. The hour is so early. I slept in quite late and now I'm exhausted. I stayed up playing Call of Duty until 11:30. Then I went to sleep about 2:30 dot. I woke up at 630. So I had 4 hours of sleep before we started. Go. This morning, we were notified through a pleasant alarm that XRP had just entered bullish zone. Anything above $2.40 is appealing to me. We're aiming for the $2.50 area, but is it possible that we'll see another correction to the $2.17 level? In this episode, I've got you covered. It's not important to you. We will next discuss Bhutan and their work with Bitcoin and BSC, which is fascinating because, in case you forgot, RIP didn't either. Time has teamed up with Ripple to create a digital currency for central banks. All right, enough chit chat. Sit back, relax, and grab a cup of coffee. Let's jump into a Bitcoin 94598 that's currently down 1.31% over the previous day, arriving at 3,377. Ethereum is the cryptocurrency at the moment. It's up 68%. XRP, which is $2.41, my friend. The entire market cap of cryptocurrencies has increased by more than 4.5% due to USDT and USDC's contributions at their respective dollar pegs. $3.29 trillion. The intriguing aspect of this XRP price increase, there appears to be no cryptocurrency other than XRP involved here, is that XRP is seeing gains while the overall market cap for cryptocurrencies is actually declining slightly. That tells me that some money has left the market and that the money that hasn't gone is moving into XRP. What gives? What makes me believe that has transpired? It's a breeze. I think the ripple effect versus SEC attractiveness will be a major determinant of pricing in the next 4 days. I fully expect Gary Ginson to slam Ripple and us XRP investors in the face before he leaves out the door. And if we hear on the 15th or 16th that the SEC is really appealing the case, then the lawsuit will continue. And the price will undoubtedly decline again. A crucial resistance level, 250, will remain out of reach. After a long descent to 217, 213, and maybe 207, we'll make one last stop somewhere around $1.96. I don't think the markets will let us drop that low right now, but hey, it's crypto. Be cautious with your trends here because you never know. Let's focus on XRP for the day. Yes, what a brilliant move. We are indeed over 240. However, $2.50 is the level where we are hoping to see that move or breakout. And I will demonstrate that to you in the blink of an eye using a graph. The article is here, fresh from the printer. No, actually, despite being 2 days old, we choose not to cover it. The strategic reserve of Bhutan is strengthened. This is a significant step toward widespread use of blockchain technology. GMC, a new administrative region in Bhutan, has recently been announced that it intends to keep Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB in its strategic reserve. How intriguing. Why? Remember that around 4 years ago, Ripple announced that the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan will be utilizing Ripple's blockchain technology to operate its central bank's pilot program. That was to aid Bhutan in realizing its plans for its central bank's digital currencies. Virtual money, right now, Bitcoin is at their disposal. Ethereum and Binance Chain are what they're employing. Do the results of the test indicate that they are departing from the Ripple's network, given that this article is from 2021? No, it completely forgets about Ripple. This stable coin is compatible with Ethereum as well. So they can access that side through Ripple if they want to exploit the theory of US as a strategic reserve, as well as RLUSD on Ethereum. Another possibility is that they are simply keeping them as a form of national security. The XRP ledger will power their national bank's digital currency when it's ready. What I do know is that things are getting hot, moving at a breakneck pace, and will only become hotter as the year progresses. This information comes from Bitcoin.com. Ripple reportedly had supper with Trump just now. The price of XRP may be poised to skyrocket. The CEO of Ripple hailed the start of 2025 and the SEC case as a strong beginning. Are you ready for this? It might not be around for much longer. If you'll excuse me, I'll be back in 5 or 9 days when Trump returns. There may be an influx of pro-crypto policies. Hiring at Ripple is already skyrocketing in the US. This change might benefit XRP the most. Here is when XRP completely outshines its competitors. Is this the beginning of the next crypto behemoth? We are about to receive responses to a plethora of excellent questions, and we will release this shortly. Just before I ate my utterly demolished hibachi last night, this happened. I was completely correct. Instead of rice, I had noodles. Missed my chance to get rice. Steak and chicken were my meals. Unfailingly a winning combination. Having no complaints whatsoever. Definitely overindulged in food. It was wonderful that I could come home and unwind. However, this is the graph. Up until 2 in the morning last night, we did not receive any breakout indicators. Prior to retiring for the night, up here you can see that we were continuing on this powerful breakdown. Are you ready for this? Here is the tweet. So obviously things have changed. It arrived with us earlier today. So that you can see what we're looking at, I'll just bring up the chart. And now we have the breakout alarm. It happened at this level. Price moves into this green ring anytime it does. Pardon me. Maintaining a price above this green band indicates a bullish market. Right here you can see this broad green ring is that if we go to the very bottom, since when we break below this green line, it will become red, signaling that we have entered a bearish market. You can anticipate a price reversal if the price starts to enter this thick green wave. In that case, if we fall below $2, the reversal would happen at the $13. Although we are now on a breakup, even while it's not a particularly strong breakdown, it's still quite positive. It is you. The daily, 4-hour, and 1-month charts all show a strong upward trend. A perfect score of 9 out of 10 implies that a token is in a bullish or bearish position. We are more negative when the number is lower and more bullish when the number is greater. Being a bull on XRP at the moment is thus 90% successful. Wow, that's serious, everyone. That is incredibly significant. This is the consolidation score that you may view here. We may see the markets range. If volatility were to be around 1, 2, or 3, it would indicate that trading or doing anything would be unwise due to the lack of predictability. However, we are currently at a 7, which is a very healthy number. If you recall from your school days, a 70 would be considered passing, and XRP would be considered a C. Therefore, we are sitting here and we need to reach the top in order to break out. Following a break of 272, 250 will serve as a breakout on this item, with 272 as the next objective. And the excitement will start once we reach the $3 range. Is this weekend the date? Does this continue till the end of the month, and does SRP continue to rise here? Until the 15th.